Really quick unboxing trial. This is a baking pan dish for the oven. We're going to go ahead and open it up. Bought it off of Amazon a while ago. I was waiting for the other pan to, you know, wear it out more before I use it. So let's go ahead and open it up. I'll have down the link down below. This is, I believe the name of the company is Gisantar, something like that. I'll have just check out the link. Let's just go ahead and open it up. That's what it looks like. Very simple, stainless steel, elevated grate. You can see the little feet there. Nice. Look at that pan, how clean it is. There you can see my camera and my ghetto setup. It says 18 with 0 stainless steel. That's what it says right there. Looks really nice. I'm going to go ahead and give it a nice wash and see how many chicken thighs I can put it in the oven. Try it out. Give it a nice soapy bath. Make sure it's clean. You never know what's on this from the factory. So let's see how many chicken thighs will fit on here. As you can see, it's about medium size. It's not a full size what I normally use oven pan. This would be great, especially with the elevation and how high it is. This would be great for some roasts. So, but anyways, for now I just happen to be baking up some chicken thighs, so we're going to go ahead and try that now. We're going to go ahead and just spray it with some, I like to use coconut oil. So we're just going to go ahead and so nothing sticks. Nothing fancy, just want to see what happens. And been marinating all morning long. See how many chicken thighs we can fit on here. Let's go ahead and put it maybe this way. Give it a try. See if it'll fit. Oven's ready. So, as you can see, it's not too big of a pan. Medium. I'd say this is a medium-sized pan, and I still have 2 more. So, food for thought there. Like I said, this would be great, perfect, probably for the size of roasts that I normally cook. So let's go ahead and put it in the oven, and I'll check back in with you in about an hour. Alright, chicken should be done. Let's go ahead and open it up and check it out. Nice thing about the little pan and the drip, holds the fat. I left the skin on. So as you can see there, did a nice job. Let's go ahead and close this up before I burn myself. Take a closer peek. So as you can see, chicken's done. It held the oil from the skin, fat, and no warping. That's one thing about the inexpensive pans you buy at Walmart. They kind of warp. You'll hear them actually bend when the temperature changes. But no, it's flat. So there it is, folks. There it is. Just check out the link below. If you like this video, please give it a like. Small channels do matter. Follow me if you feel like it. Appreciate it. Have a good day. Bye-bye.